In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your region location on eBay. If you need to update the country or region linked to your eBay account, this process is fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, sign in to your eBay account and go to the main homepage. Once you're there, move your mouse to your name in the top left corner of the screen. When you hover over your name, a small menu should appear. This menu gives you quick access to several account-related options, and it's the fastest way to get into the settings you need. From that menu, click Account Settings. This will take you to the section of eBay where you can manage important details connected to your profile and account preferences. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the settings panel fully appears before moving on. Next, look for the Personal Information section and click it. This area contains your basic account details, including information tied to your location. It's a good place to review your account information carefully, especially if you're making updates that may affect how eBay displays shipping, pricing, or regional settings. Once you're inside personal information, find the option to edit and click it. This allows you to make changes to the information currently saved on your account. Depending on your screen layout, the edit option may appear beside the personal info section or next to the specific field you want to update. After that, go to the country or region field. Click the drop-down menu and select the country you want to use. Make sure you choose the correct option, since this setting can influence how your account works in different parts of eBay, including marketplace visibility and location-based preferences. Take a moment to double-check your selection before finishing. It's always a good idea to confirm that the right country or region is selected so you don't run into issues later. And that's it. That's how to change your region location on eBay. As a quick tip, if you don't see the option right away, try refreshing the page or checking whether eBay has updated the account layout in your region. The wording may look slightly different, but the overall process is usually the same. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.